This video walks you through the steps involved in configuring the Rebate Rates master data template in the property tax module. Rebate is provided on early payments which are done in the month of April in every financial year at the rate of 5% when the property tax is paid fully up to prevailing financial year demand. Download the data template to configure the Rebate Rates master's data. As we can see here, the template contains 5 data columns. Enter the rebate rate percentage. Enter the maximum rebate amount and the flat rebate amount applicable for the state or ULB. Enter the financial year and the rebate end date for the period when the listed rebate rates and amount will be applicable. Update the information for each column. Columns marked with a star are mandatory. Make sure all the mandatory columns are updated in the template. To know specific requirements of the individual column, please refer to the data definition table for rebates rates detail. After filling the data into the template, refer to the checklist to ensure the data accuracy and data entry requirements are met. For any query or assistance, please feel free to reach out to our team. We hope this video has helped you understand the configuration of rebate rates details. Thank you.